Israel has long been recognized as a world leader in the development of innovative medical devices, cutting-edge biotechnology, and groundbreaking pharmaceuticals. This thriving scientific industry is built on a foundation of academic excellence, a highly skilled workforce, and a vibrant entrepreneurial spirit. That's why the annual Biotech Fair in Tel Aviv draws enormous international interest. Among the visitors this year was reporter Viva Press.
Researchers, scientists, venture capitalists, and angel investors from around the world came to rub shoulders at the most recent biomedical conference in Tel Aviv. There are no signs of a slowdown in the world of biotech. Israeli companies reported a rise in exports since the start this year.
Israel is very innovative. It has a great mindset in getting ideas out to the marketplace. We are the second biggest startup center in the world, and I think that makes a difference for the Canadian companies who see great technology that they can get introduced to and use.
Around the world, Israel is known as an R&D machine with cutting-edge science, outstanding creativity, and a genius in bringing new medical technologies to the marketplace. With investors milling around, local companies displayed their latest products, hoping to snag a deal. Like the Israeli startup Medical Surgical Technologies, which showed off its self-guided surgical camera. CEO Moti Frimer says his product, a low-cost robotic arm and a remote activation button, allows surgeons to direct a miniature camera while performing minimally invasive surgery.
Why do you think people are interested in Israeli technology?
Because of the constraints, we do not have large automotive industries and other. We have to rely on very sophisticated, cost-effective technologies, like our algorithms. It's only in the mind. We can facilitate our thought into algorithms and provide a very useful and very on the point, very concentrated solution to a specific problem without going into large-scale, high-cost solutions.
We have known in terms of Israel as the good for the medical devices, innovative products, good technologies, and also it's common in Thailand to perceive that Israelis are smart. So this is how that's brought us here.
Former high-tech whiz Jerusalem Mayor Nir Barkat is not surprised by Israel's magnetic pull.
More and more Israelis and Israeli-related companies are finding their way, traditionally learning how to take the research and development and the genes and the ability to develop out-of-the-box thinking and develop new ideas into the global marketplace. So now there's already a track record of Israeli-related ideas that find a way to become successful in the global marketplace. That creates an attraction for Israel, and more of the business people in the world understand that it's worthwhile doing business in Israel.
At another booth in the exhibition hall, we found NeuroQuest, a group of scientists developing diagnostic kits that use a simple blood test for the early diagnosis of diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and ALS.
Pre-aging of the immune system is actually what leads to emergence of neurodegenerative disease, and that includes Alzheimer, Parkinson, ALS, and others. If we could prove that, first we can diagnose early Alzheimer, something that does not exist anymore. And we are all aware of how important early detection is in cancer.
And though this was an Israeli conference, it was hard to avoid the foreign flags. A large contingent of representatives from American states set up booths at the conference. They came to woo Israeli businesses to trade with the United States.
Israel is a risk society. We live at risk. In a risk society, one of the aspects of that is you constantly develop new products and new technologies because you're not afraid to take those risks, because you live with risk every day. Very entrepreneurial society, an awful lot of serial entrepreneurs in this country. So I think the potential for the continued growth of the tech sector here and its innovation, it's going to go on for a long, long time.
And that's exactly what Ruti Alon, chair of ILSI Biomed, hopes this local event will do. continue investing in Israel.
This is a great opportunity for venture capitalists to come, for investors to come, business development and others to come and search here for technologies. And I think that this is a great exposure for the companies, and it's a fruitful interaction for both the international visitors and the Israelis as well.
Besides the business aspect of the conference, participants said they were proud to be able to showcase Israel's contribution in improving the human condition.
This is Viva Press for Israel Up Close.